What's that, baby?
The eggs hatch.
You talking to Dad?
As you
What do you
look
got to say?
closely at the eggs,
Hello. Hello,
they look
everybody.
very warm and very safe. When Larry got back to the grand lawn, Flash and Willie had finished all their work.
Okay, here we go. Will the chair fall on Emily?
All done, Larry, said
This
Flash,
is a test for
who was eager
YouTube.
to
Come
have
on,
her
up you
turn
go.
out in the eggs.
Uh-oh.
Good job, Flash and
Thinking
Willie,
about it.
said Larry. Now it's your turn to guard the eggs until they hatch. Wow, that's a very important job. And off they went.
Uh-oh.
While
Dad's
Flash
big
and
fat
Willie
feet.
guarded the eggs, Larry mowed the lawn.
Who are you talking to? Dad, duck. You're going to stand up. Come on. This I want to see. Baby, come on.
Hello, Flash. Hello, Willie. Have the eggs hatched yet?
Oh no.
Hello, Larry. Are you said Willie, who wasn't really sure what he